Hello everyone, greetings to all. Today I am going to talk about the 25th challenge and that is emotional burnout. अभी emotional burnout क्या होता है? Suppose you are working for the whole day. You are a professional and you are working for the whole day. And at night when it comes to take rest, you are so much tired, you are so much irritated कि आपको समझ ही नहीं आता मैं अपने इमोशंस को बैलेंस कैसे करूं. That is called emotional burnout. Now what you can do in this is take small breaks during the day, do the deep breathing and do any one joyful activity. It can be listening to the music or talking to a friend, XYZ. Just include one activity in a day which keeps you happy and you will definitely come out of this challenge. If this thing helps you out, do let me know, and if not, I'll be there. Thank you so much.